What's up, guys? We here with guys Kid. Today we're gonna be doing some spear fishing. You know, I have all my gear in my car already. You know, yeah. Here I have real vibes. Today we're gonna be doing some spear fishing. You know, normal thing. I don't know how much of us gonna be out there today, but you have maybe like 4 or 5 of us today. I don't know what spot we're hitting today also, so thanks for all the support, guys. I also have to show a video of my the process of my boat, of how it's going. Actually, it's almost finished, but you know, some little things have to get done still. And I know for sure when I get the boat in the water, I'll be doing a lot more vlogs, you know, a lot more things to do. But see you guys down there at the beach. Yeah, guys, reach our location. They're getting the stuff ready to go in the water. Real vibe. Yeah, guys, the water is kind of choppy today. Looking for a reef, but can't find it. The reef somewhere out here. We're looking for it, but we can't find it. Guys, two fish we got today here. Oh, most looking for some hands, but I ain't seen much of them, man.
They want a hard trip.
So we got today, guys. Oh, yeah. The man got nice snapper there, boy. Son?
Yeah.
Huh? Nice snapper, Miss Son.
Yeah. I get this one now.
So you got some nice little play in the bag and thing. Nice fish.
Yeah, that's not funny. I get it.
Yeah, you know, that's where the shooting, you know. You know?
Yeah, guys. Alright, this is the golden fish for today, boy. Yeah, boy. Martin snapper, the great one. You got some nice hang. Some nice hang. You got here, man.
And more get away.
Yeah. Some nice fish there. That's the hang here, bro. Yeah. Right? Hey, one. Who was on pick?
You're forcing away fish, man. Check it out, rip him after reload again.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't need the hair, boy. I don't need hair. Why,
What, a fish? Yeah, man. What's up, guys? Now we back here in the kitchen with the Dive Kid. We're doing a little cook up with the fish I have here and some mashed potatoes. Something small and quick, you know. So see you guys in the kitchen. So here we have some seasonal. The fish is done seasoned already. The fish have seasoned already on top of it, but it was in the freezer. So what I'm doing is I just adding some more to it. Most of them don't have seasoning already on top. Just doing some. This one doesn't have any seasoning, but the rest do. Seafood seasoning, a very nice seasoning. Season up, weird vibes. So here, guys, I have the fish. I'm in the pan on the stove now. I have the fish oiled up already, nice. So then I'm gonna just be doing that. In the meanwhile, I will. Fish now.
The lancet is in the bowl.
Excuse me?
Lancet in the bowl.
Okay.
You put the lancet in a bowl.
So we have the fish here. After this, what I will be doing is I will take them and make a stew with them, you know? So here I have the fish here, steaming. I don't want it to overcook because I'm going to make a stew with it right now, okay? So I'm going to use different parts to make a stew. It's not that even.
I want to go over to right there, like that. I want to right there.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I want this sheet of land.
Go ahead, I'm gonna bite, go ahead. Can't cook without coconut milk. So I don't put too much, just put a little bit. No?
Coconut.
Give it a nice flavor. Then leave it simmer down right now. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. We're looking real nice, okay? So this is the fish, this is some greens, and we have the mashed potatoes. Some mashed potatoes. That's it for today. I see you guys.